Get your body into a comfortable position. Take a few deep breaths. Let go of all of your distractions and call all parts of yourself back into center. Let the muscles of your jaw relax and go limp. Relax your jaw. Let the muscles of your lips relax and go limp. Relax your lips. Let the muscles of your eyelids relax and go limp. Relax your eyelids. Let the muscles that control your eyes relax and go limp. Relax your eyes. Let the muscles in your cheeks relax and go limp. Relax your cheeks. Let the muscles of your forehead relax and go limp. Relax your forehead. Let the muscles in your scalp relax and go limp. Relax your scalp. Now let the relaxation of these nerves and muscles in your head sink inwards. Let it flow into your brain. Allow it to flow and sink deeply and easily into your brain until your whole brain feels more and more relaxed. Relax your brain. Now that your brain feels and understands this relaxation, call on it to allow this relaxation to flow into every part of your physical body. Feel this relaxation flow down your neck and over your shoulders. Relax your neck and your shoulders. Feel this relaxation flow down your arms and into your hands and your fingers. Relax your arms and your hands. Feel this relaxation flow down your back, up and down each muscle and nerve in your back. Tell your back to let go. Relax your back. Feel this relaxation flow over your upper body. Let it sink deep into your chest, your heart, your lungs, your diaphragm. Let go and relax your upper body. Feel the relaxation flow through your lower abdomen, your kidneys, your liver, your stomach, your adrenals, your intestines, your genitals. Feel all of these parts of your lower abdomen let go and relax. Feel the relaxation flow through your hips. Let the muscles and nerves in each hip release and relax. Relax your hips. Let this relaxation wash down your legs, through your knees and your ankles, and into your feet and your toes. Feel your legs and your feet let go and relax. Your body is totally relaxed from the tip of your head down through the tips of your toes. You are in total relaxation. Now feel the energy move up through your body and out the top of your head, much like champagne once the cork has been popped. Feel this energy wash out and stream down over your body. Feel the tingling of your skin as the energy flows over it. Picture your body surrounded by this bubble of energy as it flows down around your feet, sealing around you. Now feel this bubble expand out from your body. 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, surrounding your physical body. Feel the warmth and the safety of this protective energy field. See yourself in the center of this field and invite yourself to come into equilibrium within the field. Notice whether your field is even in front of you and behind you. Notice whether it is even on your left side and on your right side. Notice whether your field is even above your head and below your feet. Now move your focus into the center of your body. Picture a channel running through the center of your body and see it run out through your root chakra at the base of your spine and go deep into the heart of the planet. Feel your deep connection to the heart of the earth, to this powerful grounding energy. Allow this energy to come up, filling your heart and illuminating your whole central channel. Allow this energy to nourish your physical body. Feel a connection through this central channel, up through your crown chakra at the top of your head, going deep into the heart of the universe. Feel the vast resources of pure love and pure awareness moving back down into your heart and illuminating your central channel even more. Now relax into the safety and nourishment of your energy field, a field that is there to sustain you. This is not a field you need to hold. This is a field that holds you.